And welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deposit money with a bank transfer in eToro in 2026. And if you want to deposit a large amount of or avoid card payments, bank transfer is a reliable option. In today's video, I'll show you how to deposit money using a bank transfer in eToro.com. Now let's follow these few simple steps. As you can see here, you're gonna open your web browser if you're using a computer, or if you're using your mobile device, you're gonna open the eToro app, and then you're gonna go to the web site. As you can see here, you're gonna make sure to click on login and enter your account's credentials and click on login. Now, once you're in your account's dashboard here, you're gonna make sure your account is verified by verifying your account. As you can see here, you're going to open your dashboard, click on home, and then you're going to click on the verify your account button and enter your details or your information. Now, eToro will ask you to provide some legal documents to confirm the authenticity of your account, so make sure to do so. After that, you're going to go and start the deposit. You're going to select bank transfer. When you're going to click on deposit funds, you're going to click on bank transfer here. And then you're going to choose bank transfer as your payment method. Then you'll receive eToro's bank details, including the bank name, the account number, and the reference number. Once you do that, you're going to complete the transfer from your account. You're going to open your banking app or visit your bank and enter the provided details. You can include the correct reference code, and the reference code ensures the money goes to your account. Now you're going to wait for processing as the final step. Bank transfer usually take 1 to 5 business days, and the processing time depends on your bank and country. So make sure to wait for that. And that's it. The bank transfers on eToro in 2026 are secure and ideal for a larger deposit. Just make sure you include the correct reference number to avoid the delays. And this is it for today's tutorial. Also, make sure the bank transfer deposit to the USD account can take 4 to 7 business days to process, and your eToro account will be credited once the transfer has been confirmed to your account. Also, the exchange rate for your conversion to USD is, if applicable, is calculated on the day eToro received the deposit on your account. Also, you may be charged by funding providers involved in the transfer. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.